Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply the video effects just to the video overlay and not the background. So I'm just going to go to library and I'm just going to quickly select like a background or something, maybe like even just like plain color. Actually, it's just an example. And then I put like a video on top of that, and I, for instance, only want the effects to be on top of the video and not the like background. Okay, so just adjust it and then just simply go to effects and find the video effect that you want. For instance, this one, you don't like, if you put it on top, it's going to be applied to the background bed as well. So what you're going to want to do, you can select these and create compound clip, but what I prefer is you just select it and add it into the video. Let's find like another one like this one. You put it and like drag it in the video, so it's only going to affect that video only and not the background. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.